Before we get started, tonight I'm cooking on my dirty Blackstone. Yes, dirty Blackstone, because let me just show you this messy patio. I've got all my grills stuffed onto the patio. I had my backyard, all the dirt leveled, and man, a lot of dirt was moved out. So this is about the only thing I can get to, and we're gonna cook on it tonight. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what are we making tonight? It's more leftovers. I made that marinated steak. I got 5 steaks out of that 3 whatever pound bottom round roast. 5 steaks. It's just me, right? Okay, so I made fajitas with leftover steak from that marinated, or that tenderized steak. I made the fajitas. Well, that made a ton of fajitas, right? I mean, whenever I cook, I usually cook on the weekends and eat it all week. Well, guess what? Here's another meal out of that same steak and fajita leftovers, right? And the difference is tonight I have +1, okay? So I'm not eating loads. I got somebody over that's gonna help me enjoy these, but what I'm gonna make tonight, I'm calling fat fajita flautas. Yeah, fat because they're not gonna be skinny, they're not gonna be like taquitos. Flautas. Now, I see a lot of places, even restaurants sometimes call taquitos rolled tacos, taquitos, and you end up with actually flautas, because they'll ask you, do you want flour or corn? Well, if it's flour, it's flautas. Flour, flauta, right? That's not what it means, but flauta. Taquitos, rolled tacos, are made with corn tortillas, and I see it all the time, and it just kind of drives me crazy. People making taquitos out of flour tortillas. They're not taquitos, they're flautas. All right, enough of that. I'm gonna do that on the Blackstone Griddle. I'm gonna heat up the leftover fajitas, and then we're gonna fry them up in the flour tortillas and have some fat fajita flautas. All right, so let's get this going. Super easy. Right, so tonight I'm gonna use Albuquerque tortilla, flour tortillas. These are, I don't know what, probably about 8 inches wide. It's not the taco size, it's the one up. It's not burrito size. So all I'm going to do right now in the beginning is all I want to do is heat these up, make them pliable. Actually, I should probably just move one over and move one here. Okay, we're going to get these heated up. They're heating up pretty nicely. Okay, so after this, you don't want them cooked, you just want them heated. So I'm going to slide these over. Get some of this fajita meat down and fajitas. I'm not making a lot, it's just for me and one other. Me and my +1. It's a wonderful woman. That should be enough, I think. And you know, these are already cooked, right? These are leftovers. So they don't really have to cook a lot. Just want to heat them up, just so they're not cold in the center. This has been in the fridge. Okay, it's only been about maybe 1 minute. I'm going to move these to the side. Just real quick to the side, because I'm going to start building these tortillas, or these flautas. Take that off so it doesn't burn. Put these flour tortillas up on top of a pan, so I can just do them right here. Now, I am going to put some Mexican cheese in the middle. Okay, and we're going to get our flauta mixture in. It's still a little hot over there. Okay. And then we're just going to roll them up. And that's why I said these are fat fajita flautas, because they're not the size of a taquito. They're nice and fat. Alright, so we'll set that one there and get the next one built. Get some cheese down. The fajita mixture. And then roll them up. Okay, you want kind of a tight roll. Okay. All right, just like that. Now, you know what's coming next? Olive oil. Yep, always got to use my olive oil. I love this bottle. Again, Tom and Marie, thank you so much for this. Okay, and then you're gonna, for a flauta, just like a taquito, we're gonna fry these up. Seam side down at first. I guess you could compare these to a skinny chimichanga almost. Chimichanga is basically a burrito, a fried burrito, deep fried burrito. Okay. Imagine these are going to cook fairly quick. Griddle's pretty hot, yep. You just want to get all sides. You want to get them nice and golden brown if you can. Nothing like a nice fried flour tortilla. Let's see. Whoopsie. Just wanted to get some more of that olive oil over here. That. Okay. There you have it. Those are my fat fajita flautas. There they are. Fat fajita flautas on the Blackstone Griddle. All right, there you go. Fat fajita flauta, flour tortilla, flauta. All right. Have some I made a shorts video on how to make this pineapple salsa. That's some Mexican rice. Have a video on that. And here we go. Get some salsa on there. You can do sour cream. You can cut it and eat it if you want, or just hold it like a flauta. Mmm. Oh my gosh. That is fantastic. This rice, go look it up on my website, go look it up on my video. This rice is super good. These flautas, third meal, and I still have fajita meat left over. Third meal out of that bottom round, 3-pound bottom round. I'm telling you, food is expensive. You can always make it go a long way. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great